Hello, and welcome to Strong English Sphere Podcast. Your quick and easy English lesson for busy people. If you don't have time to study long lessons, don't worry. In just 5 minutes a day, you can learn useful English sentences for daily life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning. How did you sleep? I slept well, thank you. It's a new day, a new start. Let's make it a good one. I'm getting ready for work. Where are my keys? Oh, here they are. Let's go. Time doesn't wait. At work or school? Good morning. How's everything going? Can you please send me that file? Sure, I'll do it right now. I'm a little busy at the moment. Let's talk after lunch. No problem. Take your time. Thank you. I appreciate it. Part 3, Daily. Life English. Strong. Space set. Greater than days for me. 1. Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Of course. Hot or cold? Hot, please. Here you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day. H3. Part 4. Evening Conversation. Hey, how was your day? It was busy but good. I'm tired, I need some rest. Good idea. Maybe a short movie. Dinner smells great. Thanks. I cooked it for you. That's so sweet of you. Let's eat together. Evening Conversation. I can do it every day. I'm getting better every day. Every small step counts. Don't give up. You're stronger than you think. You're learning, improving, and growing every single day. H3. Thank you for listening to English Sphere Podcast. You just finished your 5-minute English lesson. Listen again tomorrow. Short lessons, big results. If you liked this episode, subscribe and share it with your friends. Remember, 5 minutes a day can change your English forever. See you in the next lesson.